Hi, my name's Noah Paulson. I play baseball at Clear Falls High School. Uh, when I was 12 or 13, I knew I wanted to play a higher level of baseball past high school. I wanted to go to college, maybe get drafted. So I really pushed to get a scholarship somewhere just so I can play. I ended up going to Centenary College of Louisiana, and when I was pursuing an athletic scholarship, I realized that since my school is a D3, I do not get athletic scholarships, so I had to really start pushing academic scholarships, which when I started my college admission process, it was not slow, but I started kind of late. I started in the fall of 2023, which is my senior year, the fall of my senior year, and it kind of helped that my grades were really high and my ACT score was pretty high. Uh, and if I would have done anything differently, I actually might have waited a little bit longer to commit to a school than what I actually did. But since I chose Centenary College of Louisiana to study in business, uh, I'll just not get an athletic scholarship, I'll get academic. And since my ACT score was a 24, I got some help and brought it up to a 27. That got me $5,000 worth of extra athletic scholarship on top of the 28,000. No, not 20. It brought it up to 28,000 than what it was previously. And if I were to give any guidance to someone that's going through high school right now, I would just say to keep your grades high, listen in school, and that's about it.
Hi, my name is Judy Paulson. Jennifer Ledwith asked me to share some things with you about our experience with her scholarly program. My son's name is Noah. He is a 17-year-old high school senior at Clear Falls High School, and he plays baseball. One of the questions that was asked is how we prepared for college. Both my husband and I are educators, and so we basically have been preparing them for college from infancy. They have gone to Kumon before. They have done before and after tutorials. We've done whatever they've needed help with. So I just think that if you read with your child, do any of the things like that, your child's gonna be successful. Help with homework. If they have questions, even if it has nothing to do with school, we sit down for dinner every single night and we have really good conversation. Things differently, the thing I would have done is, one, I would have gotten into Miss Jennifer faster. I think Noah would have had a higher ACT if we had done that earlier. Second, instead of playing summer ball the summer before his senior year, I think we would have just we would have just gone to showcases because of the transfer portal. Now everybody's just wanting to see you at their showcases. So with that in mind, we would have done that instead of summer ball because I think he would have been seen more. He's happy and at peace with where he's at, but if I had to do things differently. I hope some of this information helped. And if you're looking for somebody to help you with ACT, SAT, make sure you reach out to Jennifer.